I do remember this car being on here. Thank you, Autotop. Fair use. This wrap is crazy. The wrap, it's bonkers. I hope it's a really great video. Like they show, let me see, did they show exterior? Maybe not. Fuck. Alright, so we just gonna watch a few little POV and listen to this beautiful engine. Check out the wheels. Are these magnesium?
Called Edelweiss, and these are lightweight wheels. You can see here 9.5 kilos per wheel, and they are beautiful. I absolutely love them. They are stunning and they look really good on this car. 20-inch front and rear, it looks awesome. And then wrapped around that Michelin Pilot Sport 4S rubber. This car,
I'm not a fan of those style wheels, but hey. Look at that wrap.
no carbon exterior pack on this car. Let's take a look at the engine.
Alright, time to go.
The inside, I'll start it up. But we're not going to spend too much time with that, we're just going to drive it. Alrighty, so as I have shown you, it is not mega loud, it is just a little upgrade sound-wise over the stock exhaust. It is nothing, it's not like our exhaust, which is just mental.
Yeah.
On our M3 I meant. Now let's also talk a bit about this car in general, the M3 xDrive, because it is a freaking beast. Of course you have, as I said, you basically have the heaviest version, but you should look at this, at the xDrive, as an optional extra. It's just an M3 competition with xDrive, but you can turn it off, so you can go to two-wheel drive mode, which is really convenient. You have it all basically, and I really like that about this car. Oh man,
I love when
okay, so
you stomp on the engine.
Let's do a launch control, four-wheel drive sport, as I said.
Oh, look at this.
Foot on the brake, full throttle. There we go.
Wow.
Oh.
Dang, I got to 100 like in 3-4 seconds.
So, of course, we did the measurements with the race chip off and the race chip on, so we have the same car on the same day, the same conditions, doing the same thing, and the difference we measured was 0.3 of a second. So we went from 3.4 to 3.1 seconds, 0 to 100. 3.09, in fact. That is insane. If you put this car, Michelin Pilot Sport Cup 2 tires, and get those nice and hot, I'm sure you will get this car from 0 to 100 in less than 3 seconds. So that is pretty mental.
Wow, that's crazy.
Now the xDrive system has a diff at the rear, of course, and a diff in the center, and it basically is a rear-wheel drive car, and it decides to send power to those front wheels when it needs to, and that of course is the best way to do it for an M3, but you can just feel that acceleration out of a corner.
Man, you can tell, you don't even have to type it.
Really insane. You can just put your foot down and the car just sorts it out and catapults you out of the corner. It is very impressive. I'll also show you what happens.
I can't wait to get my Ford. Oh my god. This is absolutely crazy. These cars are not. These are hard.
Put it in two-wheel drive. Second gear.
Oh yeah, let's go.
There was a car coming our way, so I was not going to do any Gymkhana slides, but anyway, there is a lot of power on that rear axle now, and you can just feel that the car struggles with it a little bit more.
Which is fun too, when like it struggles.
Fun at the same time, you know,
and
especially now with that increase in power.
I told you.
I mean, it is absolutely mental.
I don't get tired of these.
Okay, so we'll put the gearbox in drive, and then the most
aggressive
setting. There it is.
I hope the gearbox has a tune. Hold on.
There it is.
Best. I love these engines. Oh my God.
Holy moly, that is quick. So
this thing is a rocket ship. This is a rocket ship. I personally love M3s. Like the new ones, they are different. I would love M3, M4, M5. I don't know about the 7.